Speaking of happiness, ayan, na-happy naman ang Love Radio dahil sapagkat because ang Love Radio po ay makakatanggap na naman ng award.
Uy.
And this time, this is from the Philippines Finest Business Awards. Yan.
Grabe, no?
Correct. Sabi dito, 90.7 Love Radio Manila, a remarkable FM radio station that captivates hearts. Yan. So, salamat ng marami sa award na ito, Philippines Finest Business Awards. Yan. Ano tayo? Best
Ang
radio
galing,
station
no?
tayo dyan. Thank you po.
Salamat, napakabongga ng award na yan, and hintayin natin yung awarding ceremony yan, para
Correct.
mahawakan natin yung bonggang plaque
Yes.
or trophy or medal,
Oo.
kung ano mang klase ng recognition, di ba?
Nabigay nila. At hindi lang po yan it's also correct Love Radio, and also kaming dalawa po ang tambalan po, Chris Chuper and Nicole Ayala. So meron din po kaming award na matatanggap from them. Thank you very much. Si Chris Chuper po ay Most Inspiring and Remarkable Male Radio DJ.
Wow!
Ganon din po ako, Most Inspiring and Remarkable Female Radio DJ. So maraming salamat, Philippine Finest Business Awards. Yan. Thank you po.
Ang bongga naman. Thank you. We'll see you soon. And,
Yes.
thank you in advance do sa mga
Correct.
tao nagtitiwala, and those people who find tambalan as inspiring.
Thank you. And
Diba?
remarkable.
And remarkable.
Thank you.
The
O at
most
least,
inspiring.
diba?
Ha?
Hindi lang remarkable and inspiring, pero most remarkable and most inspiring. O at least dun sa part na yun, nagkaparehas kami ni Chuper, diba?
Oo nga.
Salamat. Sa September yan, gagawin partner sa Hexagon Events Place in Quezon City. Thank you very much po in advance. Maraming salamat sa magandang balita na yan. Thank you po.